So good morning students. In the previous video we have studied about the differentiation between the intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming, and in this video we will study about this differentiation between subsistence farming and commercial farming. See students, in the previous video I told you that subsistence farming is related to self-consumption. That means here farmer grow for their own consumption, for their family consumption. But in commercial farming, its purpose is to do the trade. So the first difference here I have written the basis of comparison also. So first of all, the meaning is that subsistence farming, as I told you, it is for personal consumption. But the commercial farming, here the farming practice in which the farmer grows crop for the purpose of trade. It is called commercial farming. As its name shows, commercial means for the purpose of trade. Secondly, its nature. सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग नेचर इज लेबर इंटेंसिव है, ये यहाँ पर लेबर इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग है. बट इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द कमर्शियल फार्मिंग, इट इज़ कैपिटल इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग. Third of all, if we will talk about the area, so subsistence farming is basically practiced on small patch of land, that is in small area. But the commercial farming, it is practiced in large area. After that, if we'll talk about the fertility of the soil, so in subsistence farming में manures का यूज़ करके, खाद का यूज़ करके फर्टिलिटी को इंक्रीज किया जाता है. बट इन कमर्शियल फार्मिंग इट इज़ एनहांस थ्रू हायर डोजेज ऑफ मॉडर्न इनपुट्स लाइक इंसेक्टिसाइड्स हो गए, पेस्टिसाइड्स हो गए, यूरिया हो गया, सो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स हो गए. सो इट इज़ एनहांस थ्रू हायर डोजेज ऑफ मॉडर्न इनपुट. हेयर वी आर यूजिंग द मैन्योर्स एंड हेयर वी आर यूजिंग द chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, HYV seeds and all other things to increase the production. Here the crops which are grown in subsistence farming are food grains, fruit and vegetables. But here in commercial farming we usually grow the cash crops and cereals. Because why we grow the cash crop here? Because this type of farming is for trade purpose. Okay, next one is, what is the method of irrigation? Subsistence farming is depend on monsoon, but in commercial farming it uses modern irrigation methods. Lastly, we have the cultivation. In it traditional method are used. In subsistence farming, traditional methods are used, like that कि with the help of hoe, dowel, digging sticks are used in such type of farming or in subsistence farming. Primitive tools are used. पुराने तरह के tools use किए जाते हैं. Okay, but in commercial farming, as it is practiced on large you can say patches of land, it is practiced in large area. That's why modern machines are used in commercial farming. So this is the difference between subsistence farming and commercial farming. Overall, if we can see, it is for personal consumption, labor intensive है ये, small patches of area पर ये practiced की जाती है. Manures use होते हैं इसमें, basically food grains, fruit and vegetables. मॉनसून पर डिपेंड करती है. ट्रेडिशनल मैथड्स यूज़ होते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल टूल्स इसमें यूज़ किए जाते हैं. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द कमर्शियल फार्मिंग, इट इज़ फॉर ट्रेड पर्पस, इट इज़ कैपिटल इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग. ये लार्ज स्केल पर प्रैक्टिस की जाती है. इसमें फर्टिलिटी एनहांस कैसे की जाती है? थ्रू द हायर डोजेज ऑफ मॉडर्न इनपुट्स. एंड आफ्टर दैट कैश क्रॉप ग्रो की जाती है. एज कमर्शियल फार्मिंग मेन मोटो इज़ टू गेट द प्रॉफिट, है ना, with the help of trade. And after that मॉडर्न इरीगेशन मेथड्स यूज़ होते हैं इसमें और मशीन्स आर used. I hope this topic is clear to you. In the next video we will just study about the cropping pattern, cropping seasons in India. Thank you.